Okay, so I'm back at Kroger's again, and this is what I'm after. 99 cents if you buy 6 of them. I haven't seen them 99 cents for a while, so come on with me as I get some cans of chunky soup. Okay, so all the Campbell soups are 6 for 99 cents. And I'm gonna get some. Okay, so I've got my Campbell soups. Hello and welcome back to Obsessive Chicks. Where was I at tonight? Well, you saw it. I ran to Fry's, Kroger's to some of you. Now there is a heck of a sale going on right now from January 23rd, 2019 till the 29th. And I just wanted to get this video up tomorrow so we're not wasting any time. So if you're interested, you can get to the store and get some. Anyways, I went to purchase chunky soups. Now their sale that they've got going on right now is you purchase 6 cans and you get them for 99 cents. Now I haven't seen chunky soups on sale for such a long time, and especially as low as 99 cents. Inflation has gotten crazy. Now I did a video, and I'll talk about that in a second, years ago, where I purchased the chunky soups for 99 cents. That was like 5 years ago, maybe even longer. Since then, they've gone to $1.25, $1.50, $1.99. I just cannot believe what inflation has done to our food cost. So if you're looking at preps, purchasing something like this chunky soups is a great deal. Purchasing them at 99 cents is huge. So get out to Fry's, Kroger's, and purchase your chunky soups. Now, going back to the video I'm talking about, linked at the end of this video, I did a video years ago talking about how to up your preps if you don't have any preps. If you've never prepped before a day in your life and you just want to start. And the basic discussion is buying and purchasing chunky soups with some rice, some noodles, and you can have a month's worth of food so easily and inexpensive. What it would take for a family or for 2, how many cans you would need. So check the video at the end, and that's a little bit more informative, and I'm not here to do that video. I'm here to tell you that if you want to prep or you just like sales, get some chunky soups. Kroger's got them, and they're real cheap, and I'm amazed that they're 99 cents. So I had to pick some up. And we don't just use these primarily for preps. My husband's over the road. He drives and puts them in his truck, and it's an easy, simple meal for him to cook, because gosh knows he does not know how to cook. He doesn't. So he throws things like this in the truck. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe. And if you want to be notified for future videos, ring the bell. And check out this video at the end. God bless.
Hey! Enjoy yourself.
Hi, Obsessive Chicks here. Obsessive Chicks here. Obsessive Chicks here. You know I bet tonight? Yup, you got it. Fries. What was your favorite part of this video? Mine too.